In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to safely remove and reinstall your memory on your desktop computer, whether you're upgrading your memory or troubleshooting your PC. This guide will help you through the process step by step. So the only tool you're going to need is a screwdriver for this, just to remove your side panel. There's going to be 2 screws on your side panel, or there's going to be thumb screws that you can remove with just your hands. So before we get into the PC, if you have it powered on, make sure it's powered off. And then once your PC has been powered off, you want to switch your power supply switch off in the rear. My PC does not have that switch, so I won't be doing that. After that, you want to unplug your power cord. And then what you want to do next is you want to hit the power button a couple times. This will drain any power left in the capacitors. So the next thing you want to do is you want to remove your side panel. Now, my PC is going to be way different than the one you're going to have. Mine has, well, supposed to have 2 screws at the top and the bottom, but mine only has 1 thumb screw here. I'm just going to remove. So once you remove the screws, you want to slide your side panel off. Now there are some cases that you have to open it like a door, so like this. There's going to be like a clip at the top, and that's how you open it. For me, this case, you just slide out and take the panel off. Now before you touch any of the components inside, you want to touch your case every now and then, just to ground yourself. Touch your power supply, and if you can, try just holding the case pretty much all the time that you're inside your computer. And for the RAM here, so our RAM is right there. We got 2 sticks in this PC. This is a mini ITX board, so there's only 2 slots. Now what's holding these RAM sticks in place is some retainer clips at the bottom and the top. Once you unclip those, you can safely remove the RAM. You don't want to start pushing on it with those clips engaged. So I'm going to show you how to remove it right now. Alright, so I unplugged the power cable. Now I have more free space here. So what you're going to do is you want to get in here and you want to push those clips up like this, like so, up. Perfect. Now what I like to do is I just like to release the top 2 clips and leave the bottoms engaged, because it makes it easier. Because if you unclip these, there's a chance that the RAM can come off and fall on your graphics card or get damaged. So what I like to do is just unclip the top 2, grab it from the top, just a RAM stick here, and then push forward like this, and then grab it and then lift out, and then you get your RAM out right there. And you do the same with the other one. You're gonna grab from the top, push out, and then you grab it, and there you go, your RAM is out. Now you can release these clips here. Now they're all open. All right, now to reinstall the memory, you want to make sure you put them the way you took them out. If you forgot, it's very simple. One side of the RAM, these gold pins, is shorter than the other one. So as you can see here, this one is longer and this one is shorter. If you look at your motherboard memory slot, you can see that the bottom one is longer, and then there's a split right here, and then it's shorter. So the bottom is the long side, the top is the short side. We just want to align that. So we're going to go bottom long, top short. All you want to do is try to get the bottom in first. You want to align it first, get it in. I'm going to show you this process with the motherboard outside too, just so you can see better. This is showing you how to do it if you have a case, if you have your motherboard in your case, and you know, it is doable. Just have to be careful. You want to slide at the bottom here. I'm gonna try to zoom in for you guys right here. So you want to slide in there. Quality is a little bad, but we slide in there. You're gonna push down a bit, and then you're gonna go to the top and then align it. That. Cool. Now that it's on there, you want to go ahead and you want to push the bottom part first. You want to push it in. You're gonna hear a clip, and then you're gonna push the top one. You're gonna hear a clip. Cool. You're gonna check both bottom and top. Make sure they're clipped in, and those clips look nice and tight. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the next one. We're gonna do the same thing. Start at the bottom, and then I'm gonna guide it to the top. like that. And then we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna start with the bottom. Oh, came off. We can start with, or you can start at the top, I guess, too. Start with the top, then the bottom. Either way works. But there you go. It is installed. All 4 clips are engaged and, you know, snug. And that's how you remove and you reinstall your memory. Now I'm going to show you the same process with a different board that's a little different. So let me go ahead and get that board. Alright, so this is another board that I'll be showing you how to remove and uninstall the memory. This board is older, it is a little different. The clips on this one are only at the top. The bottom ones are not clips, so you cannot use the bottom ones. It has to be the top ones. It's very simple. Again, you just want to remove the clip. You want to push out like that. The clip will disengage. You want to push the memory out. This one's a little tougher, like that, and then you got your memory out. That simple. Let's do that to the next one here. You're gonna remove the clip, and you're gonna push out like that. Bam, memory's out. Same thing. You want to reinstall it. If you're installing memory for the first time, you want to install the memory sticks furthest from your CPU. So the next slot over, for this one is the blue slots. You want to install your memory on the blue slots, not on the first slot. You want to use slot 2 and 4 to install your RAM. If this is your first time installing your memory and you're doing a brand new build, that's what you want to use. So we're going to install the memory again. We're going to go ahead and start with the bottom here. And again, we got the small side at the bottom and the long side at the top for this one. It's a different board, so it's different way. You know, the other one we had the small side at the top and the long side at the bottom, but for this one we got the small side at the bottom and the long one at the top. So every board is different. Just make sure you align it correctly, because if you don't, this is what's going to happen. You install this, as you can see, that little cutout there will not go in, and because it needs to be there and it's over here, so you know that's why you want to install it correctly. So we're going to go ahead and do it correctly this time. Short side at the bottom, long side at the top, and we can go ahead and install it like that. You can see that. All you want to do for this is push the memory down evenly both sides like this, or you can do bottom first and then top, whichever. I'm gonna do both here, so I'm gonna start with the bottom and then the top. So I'm gonna push the bottom first and then the top, like so. That's simple. That's all you have to do. So I hope this video helps anybody out there that's wanting to do this, and now you can. It's very simple. It's not too bad. Yeah, but that's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.